Hi guys, hope you're doing fine. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be looking at another lead code problem named as add two numbers. The problem definition is as follows. You are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of the nodes contain a single digit. Add the two numbers and return it as a linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zeros except the number 0 itself. So, for example, suppose the two numbers are 342 and 465. So, the first list is reverse of 342, which is 243, and the second list is reverse of 465, which is 564. So, after adding 243 and 564, we get a new linked list which is 708, which is the result of 807, which we get by adding 342 and 465. Let's consider the example given in the question, that is 342 plus 465 is equal to 807. As we have seen in the question, the integers 342 and 465 need to be represented in the form of linked list by reversing their digits. So 342 can be represented as linked list 243 and similarly 465 can be represented as 564. We need to declare a head pointer to null where we store the resulting linked list, and we need to also declare an integer variable temp to 0. So the algorithm is as follows. While the head pointers of both the linked list, that is L1 and L2, are not equal to null, we declare an integer value num which stores the value of L1 plus value of L2 plus temp. We check further whether the value num is greater than 9. If so, we perform the following operations. Else, we make temp is equal to 0. Then we insert num into the new linked list and finally increment L1 and L2. So initially the value of temp is 0 and num can be calculated as 2 plus 5 plus 0 is equal to 7. So the value 7 is not greater than 9. Therefore, we make temp is equal to 0 and insert num into the new linked list. The head pointer points to the starting value in the new linked list. And then we increment L1 and L2. And again, we calculate the value of num as 4 plus 6 plus 0, which is 10. Since the value of num is greater than 9, we make temp is equal to 1 and num is equal to 0. So we insert 0 into the new linked list and then increment L1 and L2. Now the value of temp is 1 as we have seen in the last slide. So we calculate the new value of num as 3 plus 4 plus 1, which is equal to 8. And now we insert the value num into the linked list and then increment L1 and L2. So now L1 and L2 are both null, therefore the loop ends and we are with a new linked list which is 708, which is the reverse of 807. So now we can begin with the code. Initially we need to create an insert function to insert the new node at the end of the linked list. For that we can declare an insert function where we pass two arguments, head pointer and new data. We can create a new node with the new data. We check whether the head node is equal to null. If so, we make the new node as head. Else, we traverse the linked list till the end. So we traverse the linked list till the end and point the last node to the new node. So our insert function is completed. Now we can begin with the actual code. Initially, we declare a head pointer and point it to null. We also declare two integer variables, temp and num, and initialize temp to 0. So as we have seen in the explanation part, we can begin with the actual algorithm, which is while both the head pointers are not equal to null, so while both the head pointers are not equal to null, we make the value of num as value of head 1 plus value of head 2 plus temp. And we check whether num is greater than 9. If so, we store num divided by 10 in temp and make num is equal to num mod 10. If num is not greater than 9, then we make temp as 0. So here the temp stores the remainder of num. And finally, we insert num into the new linked list by calling to the insert function which we have created in the beginning. And finally, we increment the both pointers head 1 and head 2. So there might be a case where the number of digits in both the integers are not equal. Either the number of digits in the first integer are greater or vice versa. For that case, we need to insert another while loop where we check whether head 1 is not equal to null. If so, we make num as value of head 1 plus temp. We insert num into the new linked list and we only increment head 1 pointer. The case is similar with head 2 as well, where we check whether head 2 is not equal to null. If so, we make num as head 2 of val plus temp. And finally, we increment head 2 pointer. So after completing the three while loops, we check whether the remainder is not equal to 0. If so, we insert that value as well to the linked list. That is, if temp is not equal to 0, we insert temp to the new linked list. And finally, we return the head pointer to the new linked list. So our code is finished and we can run our code to check whether it contains any errors or warnings. So our code runs fine. We can proceed further and submit the code. It got submitted successfully. So if you found this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such upcoming videos. Thank you.